A professor entered a class and said to all the students, I am going to conduct a surprise test. He distributed blank sheets of paper to everybody. When the students saw that white sheet of paper, they saw that it is completely blank. And then they noticed that there is one black spot right at the middle of every paper. The professor said, please write on whatever you see and observe. Analyze it in your own words and express it. And in this way, the students started writing. And when the professor received all their answer sheets, he saw that practically everybody had discussed in great detail only about that black dot. Some said the black dot is in the center. Some said the black dot is very, very tiny. Some said the black dot is not as intense as it looks. And it was nothing but a detailed analysis of the black spot. So the professor looked at all the students and said, I gave you this sheet of paper and it had simply a small insignificant speck of this black dot. But in spite of that, everybody focused on that black dot and expressed and wrote about it. Why couldn't any of you see rest of the white paper and write anything about that? Is it not how we lead our lives? Our lives has so many positive aspects like the white sheet of paper. But we also go through problems. Those problems, anxieties, stresses, challenges, difficulties are just like that black dot. But we somehow become so obsessed with those difficulties and challenges, we remain focused, our attention is riveted simply to those problems, difficulties, challenges, issues, shortcomings, failures, and we fail to focus and appreciate on all the positive, wonderful things which have happened to us and fail to express gratitude for all the grace which we have received. And therefore it is said, Tam sukharadhyam rijubhir ananya sharanainrabhir kritagya kono seveta duraradhyam asadubhi. Tam sukharadhyam rijubhir. When we receive something positive, let us experience it and express it. If we fail to experience that positivity, we will also fail to express it. Therefore, we have unlimited reasons to feel grateful and celebrate, but we fail to see them. Let us try to transform our vision so that although there may be challenges and difficulties and causes of negativity, but let us not remain focused on the black spot. Let us see that bright white sheet of paper which is full of scope, opportunities, cause to celebrate and express gratitude. Let us remember this blood group, be positive. If we are not in the mood to remain positive, we will be overwhelmed by an avalanche of negativity. And therefore I say that this is one of the best blood groups with respect to attitude. Be positive. And this positivity will really save us from being overwhelmed by all thoughts of negativity and help realize our own potential.